Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we had a consolidated unboxing. So for this video, let's remediate that. Let's go! Okay, so we have here a consolidated unboxing from Buy and Ship. This should contain 4 consolidated items coming from different sources. I think from eBay, from Oxit for sure. What else? I think from Person also. So it's been a while. That's why I can't remember some of the sources. Okay. Oops. Sometimes I try to keep the consolidation coming. What I mean by that is as soon as an item arrives to the Hong Kong warehouse and it's ready to consolidate, I consolidate them immediately. Okay, but there are times wherein I just have to wait for some more items to arrive in the warehouse. Okay, and this is one such cases that 2 of the items arrive early. Okay, but I felt it would be much more practical to make sure that all the items or more items arrive in the Hong Kong for consolidation. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this one. And you can see we have some boosters. Okay, so let me put it on the side and get them one at a time. Okay, so we have here 1, 2, 3, and 4 boosters from, these are from Oxit. Okay, so you can see there are dates here. So this is from 2 break weeks. Okay, so October 10 and October 17, 2 consecutive weeks. I got booster 9 and 18 and booster 9 and 18. Okay, I think these are not lucky numbers for me. So I haven't really been lucky in the Oxit Lantern Legacy breaks. Okay, so this will be the last set of breaks that I'm getting from the Lantern Legacy set. Okay, because right now they're doing X-Men, and of course we hope that our luck changes for the X-Men set. Okay, so but before we look at what we pulled, let's look at the other items here. Oh, here. We have the Tom and Jerry figures. So this is from the WizKids store. Okay, so 1 for me and 1 for Heinz. So there you go. And then we have also here a zombie shark. Okay, so this is the second one for me, and we'll use that for pricing hopefully. And then yeah, so these are a bunch of cards. I imagine this will be cards from this. Oh no, not these are separate orders. Okay, I also ordered from eBay. So I see here some items. This is from Wolverine in eBay, one of the eBay store that I go to. That's Wolverine with a double O. Okay, so wool. And this contains items I'm missing for my collection. We have here the Professor Ivo, a DC character. Okay, I just found out that he's the only DC with the mutant keyword. Okay, so mutant is X-Men. So he's an honorary mutant. We'll probably make a video of him separately. And then we have the Black Widow from Deadpool Weapon X. I cannot find actually my Black Widow, so that's why I ordered her. Okay, it's only $1 because she's a common. Then you can see we have the Star Sapphire Kyle Rayner. I have all the Kyle Rayners now with this one. And then I have an Indigo ring. Okay, so because that's one of the rings that I really want, but unfortunately I was not able to pull or trade here from the Philippines. Okay, so thank you for your order. You can check them out, Pop Culture Shopee. Okay, if you're in Wellsboro, PA area. Okay, so you have the Bat Indigo. Okay, we have the Sword Indigo. Okay, the Indigo Tribe Ring that grants support. Okay, so I already have the chain and the sound wave, I think. That's why I only ordered 3. And then we have Kyle Rayner, the pink one. And the team up Kyle Rayner for the pink one. Okay, that completes all the Kyle. And a bunch Black Widow here. And a bunch of one-shots. I also have here Professor Ivo. And the one-shots that I don't have, Heroes of the Past, Resolve of the Green, and Unstoppable. Okay, so this from Smash and Destroy and Lantern Legacy set. So as I said, I'm done with the Lantern Legacy set. I already have what I want. So, and what I did not get, I bought online. Okay, and last item from this particular consolidated package is the Barbecue Deadpool. So this one I have to buy. Oops, sorry for this. This one I think I won in an auction online. Okay, probably in eBay. So there's also the Deadpool on chair, but I have to get this priority because he has the X-Men keyword and that other one does not have it specifically. So separate unboxing for them. But for now, let's look at our pulls from Lantern Legacy Brick Break. As I said, I don't think I pulled well on this last Brick Breaks. Okay, but I did pull a blue sword. So that's something. Yellow Hull, Reanimate, White Hull, a White Kyle, and Orange Lantern Construct. And a Jessica Cruz team up card. This is my nth Jessica Cruz team up card. But I'm happy to get the blue sword. I think that completes my blue constructs. Okay, so I say I didn't pull well because I only pulled the rare. I think these are all rares. So we also have a red Lantern Animate. We have a Black Lantern Spectre. Alan Scott. And I pulled the bat. The Black Bats. Okay, this is my second one. I already have one from a trade with Angelo. Okay. So, and also a green recruit. So a couple of recruits, the Spectre and Alan Scott. Okay. So apparently this bat is hard to get. So I'm happy to have him. But I'd prefer a chase. Okay. And then the third booster we have, okay, Soundwave Ultraviolet. That's the one I need. North. Okay, actually I need that North because my last one I traded or traded with Heinz. So I have this Red Lantern Recruit, Despotelis, and Gantet. Okay, and another Flash and Green Lantern Legacy card. Okay, so I don't have that figure. Okay, Gantet is good always. And North. The good thing about North, you can gain any keyword. So you can be an X-Men. And then finally, the last booster we have another Gantet, another Spectre, now green. We have the Lobo, Joe Mullian. Is it Joe Mullian? No, Soronic Natu, and Sword Soundwave White. And we have an extra Harley Quinn. Okay. So again, I'm not keeping this except for the white one because this is my only construct for white, I think. So anyway, that's fine. I don't have a White Lantern figure anyway. So that's my hauls, consolidation. I'm happy with most of them. So, but what do you guys think? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until the next consolidation, bye!